Chapter Lines and Angles, exercise 6.1. What is given here is angle AOC plus angle BOE is 70 degree. Angle BOD is 40 degree. We have to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Solution. The sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So, the sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE. Now here we can find out the angle COE, which is equal to 110 degree by putting the values of angle AOC and BOE. Now we have to find the angle BOE. This one. Now again, the sum of these three linear pair angles is equal to 180 degree. Means angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. Now from here we can find out the value of BOE, which is equal to 30 degree. Now to find reflex angle COE. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. Here angle COE is 110 degree. Angle COE. Now 360 minus 110 is 250 degree, which is reflex angle COE. Question 2. What is given? Angle POY is equal to 90 degree. A ratio B is equal to 2:3. We have to find C. Solution. Let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. The sum of linear pair of angles is 180 degree. So angle POY plus A plus B is equal to 180 degree. Now putting the values of B and A, B is equal to 3x, A is equal to 2x and angle POY is 90 degree. We will find the value of x here, which is equal to 18. Now A is equal to 2x, which is 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree, the value of A. B is equal to 3x, 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree, the value of B. Now to find the value of C. B plus C is equal to 180 degree, B is 54 degree, C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree is equal to 126 degree. Question 5. What is given? POQ is a line. OR is perpendicular to PQ. We have to prove angle ROS is half of angle QOS minus angle POS. Solution. Angle POR and QOR is equal to 90 degree. Angle POR and QOR are is equal to 90 degree because OR is perpendicular to PQ. Now, as angle POR is sum of these two angles, so we can write angle POR is equal to angle POS plus angle ROS. Now, ROS is equal to angle POR minus angle POS. Now adding angle ROS to both sides, we get angle ROS plus angle ROS is equal to angle POR minus angle POS plus angle ROS. Here this is twice angle ROS is equal to angle POR plus angle ROS minus angle POS. As POR is equal to ROQ, it is given. Here angle POR is equal to QOR. POR is equal to QOR. So we can write ROQ in place of POR. Now twice angle ROS is equal to ROQ plus angle ROS minus angle POS. Now ROQ plus ROS. ROQ plus ROS is equal to angle QOS minus angle POS. Moving to this side, angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. Hence proved.